If you guys have been watching my series on Vista Cana updates now in 2024, you see that there's a lot to do left, and there's a lot of projects that are already started. Some of them are well advanced in their construction, and there are those that are still they still have a lot to do, a long way to go. And you saw that there was a lot of places where there's a lot of shrubs, trees. They had no indication that they had already started. But now I'm here just a week later to kind of see what's been happening here, and there has been some updates. So really quick, I want to share this with you so you guys can see some of them. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mike Masters Presents, where you guys can get all the latest information. And every year I come here to do updated videos for all of you. Whether you bought with me or not, it doesn't matter. You all want to know how the progress is coming along here in Vista Cana. And that's why I bring this content to you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so now. Mike Masters Presents in my YouTube channel, and Mike Masters Presents on Instagram.